It's the details for me with these designer items. It be the details for me. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys could tell by the title of today's video, I'm back with another luxury purse unboxing. I told you guys I'm going to say it every video, and I am. These are my favorite type of videos to make. They just really are. I'm never going to get tired of unboxing new purses or new luxury items, designer items. I'm just never going to get tired of unboxing anything, to be honest. It could be a box from Amazon, and I just love unboxing. But yeah. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Marion. I do a lot of luxury unboxings here on my channel. Welcome. And if you're not new here, then welcome back. Before we get into today's video, as always, I need you guys to do me a huge favor and make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on. So every time I have a new upload, whether it be an unboxing, a vlog, whatever it may be, you'll get a notification and you can stop by and check that out. While you're at it, also make sure you're adding me on Instagram, because on Instagram, a lot of times I will poll my followers and ask them what they want to see in the next video. I also do a lot of sneak peeks on what I'm going to be unboxing. Like this item was actually, the other day I posted a bunch of bags from Louis Vuitton when I went to pick up the candles, and this is one of those items. So definitely make sure you're following me on Instagram as well. So if you watched my most recent unboxing where I unboxed the Louis Vuitton mini candle sets, as you can tell by the candle behind me, they are super duper mini. If you haven't watched that video yet, I'm gonna leave it up here or down there somewhere. Make sure you check that out. Let's get right into today's unboxing. So this is what the box looks like. It is still wrapped. Not wrapped. Still has the bow on it. The ribbon. It's not really a bow. If you guys would like a video on the best and worst luxury customer service, in my opinion at least, like which companies have the best, which companies not so much, leave me a comment below, because I have a big opinion on that. Inside the box we have the bag. Now this bag isn't like a brand new bag. It's actually been out of stock for so long. I wanted it when it first came out, and I think I ended up getting the bigger Palm Springs instead of this bag, because I was like iffy on it. But the other day when I was in the store picking up the candles, I saw they had it in stock. I think they only had like one left in this color. I did purchase this bag at the Louis Vuitton in Garden State Plaza Mall. I had an extremely helpful sales associate there, and I usually prefer to go to Riverside, Squares, Louis Vuitton. If you're from the Fort Lee, Bergen County area, you know we have one in Riverside and we have one at Garden State. I prefer the Riverside one. That's just me. So today we've unboxed and we're going to talk about the Louis Vuitton multi Pochette. I really don't like that name. I really don't like the word Pochette. Don't ask me why. I don't like the word poached. I don't like the word poacher. Just feel like they're really weird words. That's just me. So yeah. I feel like when the bag first came out and it was like out of stock everywhere, the Prada nylon re-edition with the longer strap was out at the same time, and I just felt like that was kind of cooler. I really forgot about this bag. Not forgot about it, but just it wasn't. Well, actually, it was going to be on like my 2020 wish list, because I saw a lot of people making videos where they basically You guys have probably seen them. They're like luxury handbag wish lists for the year, and then at the end of the year you see how many you got compared to what you know what I mean? So this is definitely one of the bags that I would have had on my 2021 wish list, just because it is really different. And the crazy thing is, I would have thought I would have wanted the green strap. They call it khaki. It's a very dark green. This is actually the pink strap. And when I saw the pink strap, the pink strap compared to the khaki strap, the pink just does it so much more justice. It just makes it so much more prettier. Excuse my extremely big sweater. I'm just really into big, oversized, comfy tie-dye things. In my bum bag Prada unboxing, I had on that big tie-dye one size only shirt. I don't know. It's just my vibe lately. I don't know. This bag retails for $2,050, so $2,050. And I had misinformed you guys. I know a few videos back I said that New Jersey doesn't charge sales tax on purses. They actually do. They don't charge sales tax on clothing, accessories like hats, ties, things like that. But they definitely charge tax on purses, but it is a lot less tax than some other states. But I definitely wanted to clarify that I realized they actually do charge sales tax on purses in New Jersey, but it is a lot less than New York sales tax. I will tell you that. Not for nothing, I said in my candle unboxing I would update you guys on how the candle smelt. I'm burning the LeBlanc, and I mean, I smell it, but I don't really smell it. Back to today's bag. The thing that really caught my eye about this bag when it first came out was the fact that it's actually 3 bags in one. So it is a crossbody bag. It is a crossbody bag. And then here you have a detachable coin purse. Super cute. Oh, and I just noticed on the back of the coin purse, it actually has a smaller monogram than on the front. And one thing I did notice about the coin purse, just on first glance, is that the inside is also leather. So usually like the inside of designer coin purses are like that felt material. They're not usually always leather. So this is all leather. You get down here and you technically have 2 bags in one, because you can go ahead and unsnap this bag and have just like a cute little bag. You can add the longer chain onto here and take this off and put it on the littler bag. Like, this bag literally has so many options, and that's the reason when it first came out I really did want it. It has way more wear options than the Prada Re-Edition crossbody tote. The only thing that really has is like the little hanging attachment. So this was just super cute, and I feel like as far as everyday wear, if you are gonna wear, I'm gonna wear it with the 2 bags attached. It's definitely cool because you could put like your most important things in the front and the rest of the stuff in the bigger of the bag, the bigger bag of the 2 rather. I feel like almost every, well, I don't know about anymore, but I feel like almost every girl when I was growing up, every girl's first designer bag was either like the Coach basic under the shoulder one or the Louis Pochette, I think it was called. I really don't like that word. And I remember I got the Louis one when I was like, I think it was my 15th birthday in Las Vegas at Caesars. I always, every time I go back to Vegas and I'm at Caesars Louis Vuitton, like, it just brings me back to that. That was my first piece of Louis Vuitton. Yeah, it definitely has a lot of wear. It's one of those pieces from Louis that you're like getting a lot of different elements. It's not just a regular, just all monogram. like I said, for me, the value is really in how many different ways you can wear it. And I mean, you can even detach the coin purse and put it on another bag. You could put it on a shoe. You could put it on a belt. It's like the possibilities are endless. You can hang it down here. You can do so much with this bag. So this was really one of those bags that I wanted. And then I was like, I don't need it. And then when I saw it in store, I was like, actually, I need it. I cannot leave the mall without this bag. And I'm super happy with my purchase. I'm torn because I love wearing my bum bag, but I'm so ready to start wearing this bag. So overall, I would definitely recommend this. I wouldn't. The thing with Louis Vuitton bags is if you're gonna buy your first designer bag of any brand, really, I would say to buy something that's practical. You don't want to buy a trendy item or a bag that's like just in style for right now or like a limited edition style. You'd want to buy something like more everyday. So if this was going to be your first Louis Vuitton purchase, I definitely wouldn't suggest the multi-pochette. I would suggest something like maybe the Neverfull or a Speedy, depending on what your life is like. But if you are just somebody who loves bags and loves different styles and just different, then this is really like so cute. I'm so mad I'm late to the party and I wasn't on the bandwagon at first. I don't know, it didn't really scream at me at first when I would see it on people, and I don't know, but I did want it, and then it kind of slipped my mind and I moved on to other bags. But I definitely, like I said, if I were to shoot a 2020 luxury wish list, this bag probably would have been on it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys enjoy watching other people's designer wish list videos. I recently just started. I didn't even know that was like a thing on here. So I recently just started and they're like interesting. I like them, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see me personally do one, because maybe I could like manifest my wish list. And like if I say it and I put it out there, the universe or my husband will hear it and make it happen. I will say, not that long ago in the video, I made a remark about the candle not really smelling as fragrant as I thought it would. I take that back. It's getting very scented in here. If you're not new to the purse unboxings here on my channel, you know that's something I say so often is with a lot of these designer items, there's really beauty in the details, or they pay really good attention to detail. And sometimes I feel like the quality is the reason why you're paying for the bag. I mention it a lot because I really do feel like there's a reason why this bag is $2,000 and there might be a bag that looks so similar for $180. I mean, besides the difference, of course, in the leather. But I really do feel like designers pay attention to the small details. What I love about the bigger bag of the two is that it actually has an inside pocket. So I feel like that's super, ignore those papers. Those are just the price tags in there. I feel like that makes it it just gives it an extra place of organization. So that's something that I feel like would have been overlooked in another bag. Like I said, I love that both straps can go on either bag. You can switch them up. And I really love the detailing on the coin purse, that the front side is the large monogram and the back is the smaller monogram. But like I said, the whole entire inside of the coin purse is leather, and it's stamped with the little Louis Vuitton. And I feel like I just said, you're literally paying, you're not always paying for the name. There are items that it's like a plain nylon toe with like a leather strap and you're just paying for the name that's on it. But sometimes you're paying, when these designers come out with like just special pieces, you really are paying for the details. Like most small leather goods don't have leather inside, so that makes just a world of a difference. Even like to have 2 leather flaps on the front of the bag, the little details of having the name in the hardware, the leather on the hardware. It's the details for me with these designer items. It be the details for me. Overall, I love it. And if you're somebody who has to like really convince yourself before making a big luxury purchase, when you think about it, for $2,000, you really are getting 2 bags and a coin purse. So it's like, you know, you're getting options. To me, it was worth it. I bought it. But I absolutely love it. I was really excited. Like, it took me a minute. I was way more excited for the bum bag just because I hadn't found the bum bag in so long. This I just had passed up on so many times. But this time I really couldn't let it go. And like I said, I love the pink and khaki strap. I do know that Louis' like newest collection, they came out with different straps. I would even go as far as to say that you can go ahead and get those straps. Of course, it won't hold the coin purse because those straps aren't made to hold a coin purse, but you could really switch up the straps and get a million uses out of this bag. So I was really happy with my purchase. I actually can't wait to wear it. I really went there in hopes like that I would find the heart bag. I really did. Like, I asked the sales associate on like a little, do you have the heart bag? And if you do, and he was like, girl, that heart bag is like a myth. I've never even seen it in person. It's sold out like that. So my heart is still crushed that I didn't get the heart bag, but I haven't given up hope. I haven't given up hope, because usually if I put into the universe, but I could just go on and on about the details. Even on the like actual links, it says Louis Vuitton. So they definitely paid a lot of attention to detail when making this bag, designing this bag rather. I love the fact that they gave us 2 straps on it instead of just 2 bags, but only 1 strap. And I didn't think I wanted the pink color because green is my favorite color, but I also have, trying to think of the name of the bag I have, but it's a white damier print and it has the pink inside. I can't think of the name of it right now. It's not the artsy. I can't think of the name, but so I really love the pink with the monogram. Like, I don't know, it just does something to me. Yeah, I can't wait to wear this bag. Lately, I've been thinking about doing like a weekly vlog. Let me know in the comments below if like you'd be interested in a weekly vlog, or are you only interested in seeing me open luxury items? Either way, I'm cool with it. I feel like I lied. I told you guys in the beginning of the video the candle wasn't smelling. Then I told you mid-video it was smelling. And now towards the end, I don't smell it anymore. So I don't know if it's because it's a mini or what, but I'm not impressed. I'm really not impressed with. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing of the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette. If you did, please make sure you're leaving a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe and turn those post notifications on so you'll be notified of my next upload and you can come over and watch it. I'll see you guys in the next video.